Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see, try again later. We limit how often you can do certain things on Instagram, like following people, to protect our community. Tell us if you think we made a mistake. Report a problem or okay. So how you can fix it? So mostly it happened because you just make a lot of a lot of the same actions on Instagram. So you just follow too many people. You know that the limit on Instagram is about 7,500 people. So also you can you maybe you just follow too many people in one time, or Instagram just think that you might be a spammer. So you first thing, you just need to wait sometime. So just wait. Sometimes you need to wait for 1 hour, sometimes for one day. And also the best thing is just to wait. But if it doesn't help you, if you want to fix it right now, so you need to follow someone or like someone, so just try to change your network. So just go to the settings, and if you're using before Wi-Fi, just try to use cellular data. Just turn on cellular data and turn off Wi-Fi. And if you're using cellular data, just turn off cellular data and turn on Wi-Fi. So just change your network. And if it doesn't help you, just try to remove your app and just sorry, not remove, but just try to log in into your account from another device. So I hope it will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.